Probably. Yeah. Whatever you think, whatever's easiest for you to put in parts. Do whatever's easiest.
Now
It's whatever you is easier. Okay. How much is that? It's 210. So I'll put what, 250 in there now. Some.
It's already says some stockyard.
Oh, the stockyard.
But more stockyard over there. 아, 성기철 부장님, 저 지금 저 견문에 지금 예 게이트에서 와 있습니다. 예.
So, Mr. Danny, we've made it like, what, 8,000 miles here?
Yeah, long way.
It's just me and you, isn't it?
Just
And Peter that's run off and left us. He doesn't like film? Well, we got rid of him real quick, didn't we?
We did.
But we're here at Volvo, as you can see behind me. And today we're going to be taking a factory tour. I'll show you what I can. You probably won't be able to see a whole lot of it, but I'll film what I can, and you'll get to see where all the excavators that we own are made at.
The products.
The products that they do make here.
Yep. That's it.
So everything from the 55 to the 950. So we couldn't show inside the factory, which is common with every place. But we're going to go around here and see what we can from the outside.
Basically just starting out in 1974, what products and where it's evolved from if you just follow the line. And then different products it's emerged from. Even
That's
wheel loaders as
I was
well.
about to say, that's when Samsung, they bought out Samsung.
Exactly.
That's why
In
the regular 210 looks like a Samsung. We've got the same cab.
Yep. And then in 2000 it started evolving even more into Volvo.
And the B model was the first one we had.
Yep.
And then today.
Yep, and then today. But what you have to realize is this is for all the world markets.
Okay.
It's not just North America, so it's for all markets.
Kind of like why we still saw a 480D model outside, is they're still offering that
Exactly.
in different parts of the world.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
one of
over
them.
there.
Yeah. This is one of
One of the yards.
Yeah.
Mainly for Korea. And
235, 300, 250 size,
Mm-hmm.
and EWs.
sometimes machine is delivery from here.
Yep.
Mainly.
So yeah, delivery area.
The delivery area to some.
Yep. I can even take them to port from here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a
And
new
down to the port as well. on the truck.
220 heading out.
Yeah. There's a mini little 18.
Mm-hmm.
Got a lot of EW60s here as well.
Do they?
And this is another yard.
Sometimes without boomerang.
Yep.
A lot of excavators.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them.
Can I get just one? Every
Yeah.
Or whenever they visit. Oh, so many. Can I get one?
Yeah.
Look at all those.
We were just
So here's where all the machines that have just been made go, and they're waiting for delivery to all the dealers throughout the world. There's a 250D. Most likely that one will stay over here, and the E models come over to the States. Sure is a lot smaller than mine, isn't it? And the 220s.
At the end of the month,
Uh-huh.
it will be empty.
It'll be empty at the end of every month. Oh, wow. I just can't get used to the narrow track pads. We would have these things buried over back home with.
It's mainly because it's one of the different regions.
Yeah. I mean, that's like the narrowest track pads I've ever seen on a 220.
This is tier 3.
Yeah.
These
Tier-
mean
Tier 3.
tier 3 and
So this is the tier 3 row,
The tier 3 row.
tier 3. Not European 3.
No.
not North America.
No.
Mainly this line. But first another next line.
Well, they don't make a E model in tier 3 still, do they? Or do they?
Tier 3 because it's engine emission
Right.
regulation. They don't need it on tier 4 final.
Okay.
They like it.
So no, that's
Yeah, it's Pakistan or some India.
So pretty much all these machines will stay
Uh,
over here.
so another next is tier 3. Yeah, tier 3.
So they'll stay here in Pakistan, India, places like that. As well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they don't need to put the final BPS in the kind of
Right.
expensive solution. But it's
It really is. That's a pretty good size one on whatever this one is up here. They got them packed in here, don't they?
They do. It's hard to believe this is just 1 month.
Of inventory.
Yeah. And then there's a 750D to your left.
Oh wow. 300 long reach.
Yep.
Or a 350. Well, there's a 350 there and a there's a 950 beside it.
Yep.
No, that's a 750.
Yep. 750.
There's not the E model. Yeah, you can see the E model and the D model difference.
Yeah, because it's higher.
Yeah.
Higher.
Yep.
For the
Because of the engine.
engine
And-
after treatment.
And what'd you call the air filter?
Yeah.
That's an oil
Oil bath.
oil bath.
The
Yeah.
cleaner.
Yep.
So they like that.
Because I've never seen any of that over
Okay. Yep.
back home.
A lot of them like it because as the air goes in, Chris,
Uh huh.
top, then the particles catch in the oil before it goes into the engine.
Oh really?
It helps cleans it.
Was that another
750.
750 frame?
That might be 950.
That might. That seems a little big.
Yeah.
Got it. 950. I think so.
Yep. It's
Yep.
950. Yep.
Some of it.
Yeah, it's not the whole thing.
Oh wow.
So we can walk up the hill here.
Yep.
You see it.
That one's got the tilt rotator on it, doesn't it?
Yep. Still is. It's very popular,
Uh huh.
especially in Europe.
It's got the what?
Fallen object guard on the top,
Oh yeah.
in the front. Yeah, waste management with the HEPA filter on the back of the cab. You can see
Oh, I see that now. It's got the screens on it and
it's got screens on
screens on the side too to keep out.
Yeah, you can see the door, the screen,
Mm-hmm.
and then with the hydraulic reversible fan, that's locked. But
Kind of
basically
blows.
it'll keep it blowed out, keep it clean.
Gotcha.
Yep. And this also has fire suppression,
Mm-hmm.
so it's a waste management option.
That's popular in America, waste management.
Yeah. But sorts it out and recycle and make more waste. They sell and make money off waste.
So they still offer a 210D as well, right? That's a 210. That's a 220. Yeah.
I mean,
D model.
Here, another line.
Yeah, Chris, that's like a loaded question for me, Chris, because I don't deal with D models anymore. We actually have one at the customer center, a D,
Do you really?
a 210D.
Uh-huh.
It's an old one.
I've noticed like all the, the D model machines, they're not plumbed with any of the extra hydraulics. They seem like they're all
basic machines.
pretty much bare bones.
Yep, they don't have rotation or X1.
Yeah, I was looking at those. I mean, there's no actually, it's a nice straightforward machine. There's no extra plumbing for a bucket or for a thumb or for anything. This one's got that on it. So like this one right here has probably just got the basic joysticks and everything in them, right?
Yes, should have.
Yep. No floor mat, no nothing?
No, not on that one. Basic machine.
Yeah.
Surprised this one has an attachment bracket.
But then,
Don't see any dig assist on these.
no, that's weird. You just don't see the straight bare bone ones.
You don't see straight tracks on these.
No. And we'll come over to like this one right here. It's plumbed for attachments. It's probably set up a little fancier. Yep. Interesting. Stuff you never see unless you come over here and see where it's actually made at.
It's okay?
Yep, good.